Okay, so here we are again in another video. This is the second time that I record this. Um, as before, I had some problems with my computer, but well, that's okay. First of all, I'm having fewer trades as I'm trying to trade with more confirmations and trying this new strategy. I'm back testing in the mornings, not really paying attention on the live trading, but I think that's okay. And well, um, on the other hand, today I sent my CV to one real prop firm, which they work remotely, but I want to try to well to work there maybe and see if I can do something. I have illusion to work in these places. I want to try to send there my CV, so I just did that. And well, let's see if they answer. That's something else. But yeah, so let's start with the DXY. As you remember, we started the week taking the previous weekly low, um, creating or having this driving liquidity on H4 here, and we were the rest of the week going up. Yesterday we took the previous daily high, which I don't consider that it's really important, but it is important to look for liquidity for the continuation. And well, here we had some continuation that I wanted to trade with the 50% of the FIBO, but the price came down, didn't go down, and I wasn't able to look for an entry here. Okay, let's see EU. So on EU, we took this driven equity on H4 from the previous weekly high. The next driven equity was up here, so we had nothing really here. And I wanted to look for the continuation with the Fibonacci and everything, but we had this movement was generated on New York, and I don't look for continuations on New York, so yeah, no trades for me. GU, yeah, pretty like this week was yeah, it was ranging all the week really. So we took the previous weekly high, this rally with the H4 was taken, no trades for me, and then we had this move on Thursday, and as you can see on Friday we were ranging all day, and we had really no movements, no opportunities to trade. I understand I have fewer opportunities, but well, I think this is something a little bit ridiculous. Well, not ridiculous, but yeah, exaggerated. Okay, so yeah, nothing for me here. USD JPY. In this case, I don't know why it's like this. Now we have the proper ATR. So in this case, we took this direct with H4 here and previous weekly high. I wanted to look for continuations. I want to look for reversals, but the DXY in this case was down here, so we didn't really touch the ATR level and anything. So I didn't really like it, and I didn't look for any entries in this case. I don't know why the ATR is booked. I don't fucking know, but it's booked. So yeah, in this case, we hit the ATR here. Maybe I could have looked for some entry here, but as I said, the DXY wasn't correlated, so I didn't look for any trades in this case, but I really liked the movement. Okay, well, I don't know why the ATR is like that. USDCHF, the same as the last week. We have really nothing here, ranging like 1 week and a half more or less. Not only with this taken, so nothing really. And finally, this is not the one that I want to see. Use the cat. In this case, this h4. We took this running with the h4 to the downside, not touching the ATR, so I didn't trade this, and well, that's it. I have to study this pair, so now I'm studying EU, but I have to study these ones, so yeah, that's okay. And yeah, I have no pressure about it, but I want to do it. Yeah, I want to do it, so I just have to wait for to have time and being able to do it. Okay, so well, this was my day. I hope you like it, and of course, see you on Monday. Bye bye.